Hi guys, welcome back to our channel Finance for Beginners. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to download or install Lending Club app in your device. Lending Club app is an app that helps you check your saving account with a digital bank. Or if you need a personal loan, Lending Club could be a good option to consider. Now moving on to the video, first of all go to your Play Store or App Store. Then search Lending Club. There you can see Lending Club. Tap on it, then press install. It might take a while to install the app depending upon your internet speed. Once the app has been installed, open Lending Club app and navigate your bank account through your device. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.